All right, so now it's loaded up our hip hop session. And as you can see, there's already a drum track here. Let's go ahead and play that so we can hear how that sounds. Okay, great. So it set us up a drum track already. If we scroll through the sounds, and I'm just using the up-down arrows. The next track has a synth on here. Next sound. Some 808 bass, synth bass. So on and so forth. Now I can go over here and change any of these sounds if I wanted to, like this voice plucks. I can do that here in the library. That's pretty much self-explanatory because you see this right here. But just to let you know, this is a pretty new feature. I would probably say Logic 9 is when they started maybe implementing this stuff. But now it's gotten really good. Like the sounds are good. Before they weren't as great. So you can easily just click on a section here, lead, pick some sounds. Play something. Use the up down keys again to go to the next sound. And yeah, like I said, there are some really good sounds here, so this is great that it just comes with a DAW. So feel free to check that out. Then this section right here, this is your primary section. And normally this is what I see all the time when I'm working. So we can close this up and I'll go right here in the middle. I'll either grab it and move it to the left or just double click. And then that closes it up. If I wanted to get back to that, I can easily do that here. But we're gonna go over all these options in another video. So for now, let's just focus on what this template actually does. So now we've got the template. Like I said before, we can work kind of fast. So we'll just find a sound. Let's use this one. Then I'll record quickly. Hit record. 2, ready. There you go. Now I can play that back. And there we go. We're working on a song already, and you know, we started right off. We didn't have to search for anything, and it worked really quick. So that's a great benefit of using a template. Now let's check out the songwriter's template.